One very common tool used to track the progress of an agile project is iteration burndown chart. This chart tracks the work left throughout the sprint or iteration on a daily basis. For example, if the iteration is 2 weeks long or 10 working days, the chart is updated daily with the remaining work. The chart you see shows a straight line. This is the line that shows the total work at the start of the project and how much work will be left daily. Ideally speaking, work left yesterday minus work done today will give work left for remaining iteration. But in reality, this may not be the case. Take the total work left at the start of the day, subtract work completed during the day from it. Also subtract work eliminated, cancelled, postponed during the day. This is the work that will not be done in this iteration. Then add any work that has been identified during the day that needs to be done in this iteration. It will end up with the total work left for the remaining days of the iteration. Therefore, we can also conclude that iteration burndown chart should never be used to establish how much work has been completed. For that, there is the iteration burnup chart. The zigzag line shows the work left at the start of each day of the iteration, and the dotted line shows the forecast. The iteration will end on the 10th day. The chart shows that not all the work will be completed in this iteration. There will be some work left which will have to be taken up in later iterations.